everyone, welcome to the world of twin flames, and let us discuss. Um, let us discuss today. Um, how can you recognize if someone is a twin flame or not? What are the signs and symptoms? I know that I've already made a video on this topic, but now I want to add some more points. So, one basic thing. The one basic thing which will make you confident about your journey is that you will feel that you will get a soul calling, or you will get signs from the universe that you are with your twin flame. If someone is a twin flame, that person will bring tremendous changes in your life, not in a negative way, but only in the positive. He or she will bring lots of positive changes in your life, and will take out the best out of you. No person other than your twin, no matter if it is your soulmate, no one other than your twin can bring the best out of you. It's just and only your twin flame. Let me give you my example. Like when I came into relationship with my twin, my life started changing since day one, and not and whatever events after meeting him happened in my life was completely positive and made me changed me into the best, into my better version or the best version. Today I'm living a very peaceful and very happy life, a life which is I feel like I'm every day connected to God, and really I feel the abundance that God is giving me each and every day in my life. So who brought me near to God? It's just my twin. I'm not telling him that he did all these things intentionally, or he was already aware of what he's going to do in my life. He brings loads of changes, but without even knowing it. Okay, so that's your twin, a person when with whom you feel like heavenly. Means whenever I am with my twin, whenever I go out with him on a date or anywhere, I feel like we are one. We are not two. You will always feel that you are one soul but in two bodies. Like um, you will always get this feeling from inside that you are one soul but residing into two bodies. And whenever I go out with him, whenever I hang out with him, I feel like we are one but in two different bodies. Even we look similar. Yes, we look similar. Not exactly similar, but we have but how can I tell you this? We have quite similar physical features. Like we both are tall. We both have similar kind of hair. Um, we both have big eyes. We both have brown iris, right? We both are of almost same complexion. We both have same skin type or skin quality, whatever you can say. So yes, we both look very similar to each other. And one thing I would like to say, that if you're a twin flame, it is possible that your eyes are very similar. Yes, it is possible that your eyes are very similar. Your eyes look, you both of you have similar eye shape, eye color. This is also in my case. We both have similar, almost similar eyes. Almost not. We have really very similar eyes. So, how to know that the person with you is a twin? Another and the most important thing is, he whatever he will do, whatever he will do or tell to you, no, doesn't matter if he is with if you are in how can I explain this? Whatever he does in this journey to you, whatever he does, you may at a point at some point you will feel like the person is abusing you, the person is torturing you, but the reality is, whatever action he is doing, whether positive or negative, which seems to you, is actually the action which is actually the he's not doing it himself. It's all controlled by the divine. What I have observed on my journey is, um, that twin flame journey is divided into many stages, like the bubble phase, separation phase, and the phase kind of thing. At the beginning we were in the bubble phase, like we were too much into each other's love, and were always into each other, calling each other, texting each other. So at that time he was very very soothing, and he was very very kind and gentle to me. He never spoke um, he never spoke anything abusive or wrong for me. But things changed when we reached the separation phase, or the dark night of the soul phase. He started abusing me. He started verbally abusing me. He started ignoring me. He started misbehaving with me. I used to think that, is this the same person whom I loved? Is it does he really love me, or I'm in an imagination or an illusion kind of thing? But at this point of time, right now, whenever I look back, I feel like, no, he always loved me. Whatever he did, he wasn't responsible for that. God created such situations. God put him into such situations where he was forced to act that way. And whatever he has done to me, brought tremendous positive changes into my life, forced me to work on my inner self, and now I have really grown up to be a very beautiful soul, or almost a very balanced person. So it's all for today's video. If you have any comment, please write me in the comment section. I'm always here to read your comments, and I'll be back with the next video. And I hope this video is useful for you all. Thank you so much.